Hello everyone. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the higher time frame filters. We have three filters in the EA. All those filters are based on the structure blocks indicator, and it will help us here to really define if we're going to trade within the trend of the higher time frame filters. So checking the structure blocks on higher time frame to trade with or counter the trend. And also we have an option where we can trade within premium and discount zones of those higher time frame. I'm gonna explain basically only the settings of the filter 1. The same goes for filter 2 and filter 3. I'm gonna explain also the part that is the relation between those filters. So let us get started. First, for the relation, basically we can combine those three filters when they are activated to even have a trade respecting all those three filters. So it's the option all active filters, or simply in one of those filters. What does it mean? It does mean, for example, in this image, I have filter 1 that is giving me, for example, the signal to go. Filter 2 is giving me the signal to go, and filter 3 is not giving me the signal. If I'm using a scenario 1 where all active filter need to give me the signal, then I will not trade. However, if I use scenario 2 when one of those filter only need to give me a signal, so I should trade. And in this case, I have two filters that are giving me a signal, so I'm trading. That's the difference between all active filter and one of the active filter. Now we explain the relation between the filter. Let's talk about the configuration for each filter. The first thing we're gonna notice is that the configuration is divided into blocks. The first block is about the trend, and the second block is about premium and discount. In the first block, you can just simply choose to trade with a trend or counter trend. And you can define later which time frame you're gonna use for your structure. And you're gonna define at which block you're gonna start, at which block you're gonna stop, and if you're gonna use double block or not. For all these three configuration, please check again a previous episode about structure block. You're gonna have the link in this video. So we can have more details. The same logic applies here on higher time frame. And the last part we talk about is really premium and discount. So we can activate premium and discount for each filter, and we can define a specific level for this premium and discount. By default, it's 50%. What you need also to know is the premium and discount for each filter. So filter 1, filter 2, filter 3 will work together based on the respect premium and discount option. However, the trend filter on filter 1, filter 2, and filter 3 will work together based on the respect trend in. So the value is all active filter or one of the active filters.